Alright folks, we're back in the Woodsty, and what we have here is a piece of oak. It's a big oak blank that I cut with my new bandsaw. A lot of interesting figure in this thing, including the beetles. There's a potential for some cracking, but let's just get her on the lathe and just see what happens. I think I'm going to go between centers just because this hole's too big. Well, let's see. Let's see. Oh, that might work. Okay, so we've got the dust collector, or I can't think today. We got my air quality sensor. It does 18 different measures. The important ones are these PMs. The other ones are more for like when you got too much carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide or formaldehyde or whatever. But what I'm curious about is the PMs from 0.3 up to 10. So I've always been curious about when you're putting off the dangerous dust versus when you aren't. My theory is that when you're turning with like a bull gouge, you're just producing shavings, and this shouldn't freak out too much. And I'm expecting conversely that when you're sanding, you should see these numbers go crazy. So I figured we'll put a camera on this, do a picture-in-picture, and then we can just kind of see. It'll be fun.
While Zed is turning oak into something approximating geometry, observe the box in the upper right. That is an air quality sensor. I understand it immediately. You may take notes. Those PM numbers, 0.3 through 10, are particle sizes in micrometers. PM10 is visible dust. Trivial. PM 2.5 and smaller are the clever ones. They bypass your defenses and move in permanently. PM 0.3 is not dust. It is an idea. An idea your lungs will remember. Notice how sanding spikes the finer particles. This is why sharp tools are virtuous and sandpaper is a moral failing. Wear proper PPE. Your future lungs lack your current optimism. And since you've already inhaled this much wisdom, you may as well like, subscribe, and continue benefiting from my superior intellect.
All right, folks, there's number 448, the oak bowl. I had fun with that one. There's all kinds of texture in this. This transition to the bark is interesting. There's little fuzzies. Got rid of most of them, but there's still a few there, so it might bother some people. But I kind of like the chaos, so what else is new? A little bit of bark there. Got some burl figure. Got a nice foot on the bowl. A nice rim on the bowl. And we hollowed it out. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with that. And I'm curious to find out what y'all think about the air quality info that I'm going to add to the video. So let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. 448 is in the can, and we will see you next week. Bye.
Paralyzed.